What's a Fidget Cube?
You know, that thing! It's a cube and you can move stuff around on it. Here, let me show you this commercial on TV about it.
Hey guys, it's Pokey here with the newest and greatest toys. And today I'm going to be showing you the Fidget Cube. And you have to buy it from our website, or else you have to buy it. So you guys need to buy the Fidget Cube from our website. See this authentic box. And if you unbox it out of the box, as you can see, you have this Fidget Cube right here. You can press buttons and stuff. Buy our Fidget Cube from our website for only $19.99.
See, Dad? The Fidget Cube is a must-have. I have to have it.
No, son, you cannot have it. I won't buy it. It's $19.99, not including the shipping cost.
Dad, you have to get it, or else.
Later.
Guys, it's 2 a.m. and I am gonna prank my dad, 'cause he didn't buy my fidget spinner. I have this bag, and I am gonna put him inside. Get in there. Get in there. He's gonna be so mad when he wakes up. He's gonna be so mad.
Junior!
Dad, pranked! If you want to get out of the bag, that means you have to buy me a Fidget Cube.
Fine, I'll buy you a Fidget Cube.
Yes!
Okay, Junior, since you let me out, I wonder how that happened.
I wonder too.
Well, I'm not sure how I got into a bag, but yeah, I'll buy you a Fidget Cube now. Later.
Yes! My Fidget Cube finally came! Time to open it. Yes! It's unboxed! It's unboxed! Wait a minute! This is a Fidget Cube? I don't want that!
Junior, how dare you knock it off the edge? I paid $85 for that.
Dad, but it's fake! No one wants that junk!
What? Later.
Dad, I want a fidget spinner!
Uh-oh.
Hey guys, it's Bowser Jr. I want to thank you guys for watching and subscribing. We've just hit 80 subs. I'm very excited. Thank you all who subscribed. Anyway, if you enjoyed the video, please subscribe and leave us a like. Bye!